I will introduce you main dish. Tuna with chard and potato. Tuna is most popular dish on seaside, and we export tuna here in Japan, chard and potato. Here in Japan, we can use spinach and other green vegetables. I will use some basil, garlic, and again, Vegeta, most popular, spices, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. I will go into seasoning the tuna. Again, Vegeta. Black pepper. Because all these seasonings go very well together, and also to fry easily tuna. We will prepare chard and potato. It's fastest when you put in hot water. And also we will put here the green parts. When it starts to boil, the green part, it's only 1 minute. Olive oil. And put our tuna steak. You can see now how it's going heat from downstairs. Look at this. Vegeta. So you can put everywhere. And what it gives flavor in this dish, also to put garlic. And now I will show you the most popular sauce on our seaside, which you can use with every fish, not with just with tuna steak, to put together basil, garlic, and again olive oil. And this is mixture which you can put on every fish. And we will put together with the green parts and mix it. Some seasoning again, and and 1 spoon of Vegeta at the end. And it's ready. And very important, our mixture with garlic and parsley. On the top.
Wow.
Croatian tuna with chard and potatoes.
Thank you, my darling. I'm treated so well today and every day. This is Croatian tuna, maguro. One of the best and most expensive available here in Japan. That is predominantly used for sushi and sashimi. It goes very, very well with a little bit lighter red wine. For today I have chosen Cabernet Sauvignon Korlat from Zadar region of Dalmatia. Exactly as I like it. It's a little bit lighter red wine, not too light, and it matches perfectly well with Croatian tuna. Exactly as I like. And I think also people in Japan, they like a little bit more fatty tuna, and this is a little bit fatty tuna, and it gives such a wonderful taste when you match it together with Croatian olive oil. And even our Italian friend say that Croatian olive oil is one of the best or the best in the world. And you can find these oils here in Japan. And this is another gastronomic experience that I enjoy every day, but tuna is something really special. I really like it. Please try to make it at home. You will like it.